Okay, DIY lovers, campers, and anyone tired of throwing stuff away because of a little rip, this is your new best friend. It's the self-adhesive PVC net repair patch, and let me tell you, this little roll is saving wallets, tents, car seats, and boat covers everywhere. It's made of very strong waterproof PVC mesh cloth, tear resistant, soft, and super durable, and it already comes with a professional grade adhesive in the back, like here, like when you open this one from here and you tear it, this has the really amazing adhesive. Okay, so no glue, no tools, no skills needed, and the process is you cut, you clean the surface that you want to stick it on, you cut the PVC, you peel and stick, and done. I used it on my old camping tarp, and now I'm going to be using it on my kitchen seat, even though like my kitchen seat is black, but I'm going to use this silver one just to kind of give it this kind of style. I'm going to cut a little heart or a little shape for it. You can use it on your umbrella, and they all look brand new. Like all the stuff that I have used it on, they all look brand new, especially if you use like the same color PVC of the item that has ripped. So it works on vinyl, faux leather, canvas, tents, chairs, tarps, sunshades, you name it. And because it's waterproof and oil resistant, it's made at least to last outdoor, in the car or on the boat, anywhere. So before you toss your gear, fix it in 2 minutes flat, and that's it. Let me show you how I will fix my chair in here. Look at this gorgeous chair, but look at this tear here. I don't know what caused it, but I can fix it for sure. So I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna cut it in a round shape or something, and I'm gonna stick it here. So I've cut it in this shape, okay, and now I'm gonna remove the back from here. Let's remove it. And then you just I think I'm gonna just stick it all the way like this. And look at this. Even my cat loves it. He's like, what is this? Did you just cover the hole that I've been poking? In short, like the installation is super easy. It stays, just like make sure you keep it for 12 hours before you allow anybody to sit on it or to use it. That's it.